I don't even know what the hell is happening. Wait, is this not live? Dude, what the hell is happening? Is it live or is it not live? What? Okay, it doesn't have music. Why would you lie to me like that? Why? You literally lied. You literally lied. It's live on it with no music. Okay, why would you lie? It's pronounced JSON. Praise the sun. Let's go. Yeah, there you go. Whoa, what is Google doing? Google is canoodling. Canoodling with the enemy. All right, hey, everybody. We're 4 minutes in with only 37 people. What happened? Did something happen? Very live? It's alive? Okay, yeah. Look at this. Look at how much ligma you could get. You could get all the ligma. You fell off. Dude, I have fallen off. Are we just done? Guys, are we just done? I fell off? Damn. It just barely went live. I think it wasn't. Just received a notification saying you're alive. Damn. Well, everybody. Hey, Prime, just literally finished watching your Fem video on Heaps. You mentioned you read 3 books on algorithms. What were they? I think I have one of them floating around here. Oh, yeah, I do.
Welcome to Costco.
I love you. Thank you. Damn you, live. Thank you. I do have this one. This one is not that useful, but it is really fun read. Lots of stories. Lots of stories. It's fun. Why is Rust fast? That's a good one. Prime voice on YouTube is, oh, baby. Oh, baby, give me that cricket. Hey, why is Rust fast? Aren't we enough? No. You're not. Introduction to the algorithms, the fourth edition. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it, Sauro. Rust is not fast. It's a political agenda. Damn. Hola, algorithms by Humst. With whom has written said book. This is MIT Press Essentials Knowledge Series. Okay? Do you think Rust is overrated? I think it's both overrated and underrated. I think the problem is that when you try to make Rust really work out for everything, it can be annoying. You know what I mean? Sometimes Rust can be annoying. And the problem is, okay, so here's a real problem with it. You can't, it's really hard to program in Rust and in JavaScript. Do you know what I mean by that? Meaning that my brain works a special way when I use JavaScript, right? But my brain has to work different when I use Rust. And I think sometimes when you're using these two languages in which, are like, that are so different from each other, you get rated by study time, and then you have to stop talking, and that's just that. I do think Rust, I think one of the weaknesses of Rust, I think that's honestly a huge weakness in Rust. Hey, study time, how you doing? Study time. Study time. That's 3 raids in a row, and I have yet to even raid you back. My goodness, my grace, my graciousness. Today we're talking about all sorts of stuff. I'm gonna write this little idea down right here. All right, I like that. Study time hand. Study time hand. Study time hand. Hey, thank you for all that. Statudial cringe intend becoming blazingly fast Christian. Opinion on automated testing for UI components. I had a big day. See, I don't think the learning curve is different. I think it's the usage curve. Hey.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I love you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Marcos. Marcos, by the way, I literally got to jump on a voice call with Marcos right here, and I didn't know what to expect. And I kid you not, this is just what happened. Ah, Prime.
Welcome to Costco.
Mi amigo.
I love you.
Buenos tardes. And I'm over here like this, like, oh, hey, I wish I had a manly voice. And he's just like, oh, baby, don't worry. You won't ever have one, but it's okay. It was painful. It hurt. It hurt me emotionally. The man has a sexy voice, and I'm out here sounding like a cartoon character. Buenos tardes, chiquito. Right? Hey, Prime, how was TwitchCon? I can tell TwitchCon was awesome. Is there a reason your stream videos are available on YouTube right after you end your stream, but not on Twitch? I'm not sure. Hey, whoa! 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 You just followed. You're from like the study time stream. Thank you, Marcos. I appreciate that. I really do. What programming do you do at work? TS or Rust? So I'm probably going to do a lot of Go coming up here. So here's the deal. At work, we are developing a new database for grabbing some metrics out. I'm trying to develop some better real-time debugging tools for just like the developer experience, because we have like what? We have big data portal people. We have video people. We have audio people. We have platform development people. We have UI development people. We have, you know, the underlying in between of the platform and the UI, like the thing that's handling authentication and all that. And we just don't, I feel like we just don't have a great runtime tool, but the service that's being written and all that is in Go. So I do think that that's going to be a real deal, which is that I'm going to have to break some of my tooling, which is currently in TypeScript, which I don't think is the best as it is, because I have a lot of untagged data structures. Makes it hard. He's back. Watching more PrimeGen instead of programming. That's right. Do you have people? I do. Is there some way of writing Rust in an Android app? I don't know. Go squeal stuff is reasonably okay. Yeah, let's see. I had an intern at work called JSON. Can confirm. Slow AF. Yeah.
Meat and give it to me raw.
What are you doing? I'm still like in my head grappling with what the hell does that even mean? Tined? Or is it T3 Ned? Or is it teened? Are you from... Okay, you gotta speak. Speak to me. Are you study time raid? I don't even have study time. Who is this person? He sent no messages, followed, subscribed to the gifted 5. What the hell's going on? T3 Ned? I don't know. Is this Theo? It's Theo's alt account. Let's go to HR department. We don't need to go to the HR department this early, okay? But real talk, we don't need to do it, okay? You know what I do need to do, though?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Seriously, I do. Welcome. Really, to the startup. I love you. Yes, we do happen to have our multi-billion-dollar startup. We refurbished an old Costco, okay? Because we needed the space. We needed the luxury. We needed the ability to know that if I need to run nonstop for over 2 minutes, I couldn't run across this building, because that's how big it is here at the startup. She did say, she said that once. I was referring to you, Karen. You said that. Yeah, you're she. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah. So I can't say that anymore? I thought we just came to... Thank you. Mostly Agile, thank you for that 7 months. Let's go, baby. I found your YouTube a few weeks ago and finally caught your stream live. Well, thank you very, very much. Welcome, LC Norm. Let's go. Get deep in. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Is it time to go? So here we go. People, this is the thing, is I do have to do 2 things. Is we are going to do something pretty dang fun. First off, you're going to see this. It doesn't make any sense. Don't worry about it, okay? It doesn't mean anything to you. It doesn't mean anything to me, okay? But this is what we're going to want to do today. Number 1, I'm going to show you one thing about making JavaScript a kind of a fun little thing. And I want you guys' honest opinion, because I was going to make a YouTube video directly after this, kind of explaining it in a bit more depth. So we're going to do that. Then after that, we're going to take Vim Royale, and I'm going to write it in TypeScript as well. We're going to co-develop it in TypeScript and Rust. And I want to kind of give like these updates of like, hey, this is what I'm building. Here's the difficulties. Here's what I find hard about TypeScript. Here's what I find hard about Rust, and kind of like give kind of something that helps people make better decisions. Because I find that if you talk to anybody, this is what they do. Oh, you're writing a new program? You better use Rust! Or they go like this. If you want to get anything done, you're going to use TypeScript, okay? If you want to, okay, if you're not building a JS app on top of ROYALE with using kit, and don't forget, you got to use Jest, and you got to use Vest, and at that point, you'll only have 400,000 lines of code in which will be used to do a hello world. I don't want either of it, okay? We need something that's a little bit in between. You know what I mean? We need something that's not just constantly trying to sell you on one thing or the other, but actually giving you, hopefully,
Man
some sort of
became a member.
breakdown of these two things. Welcome to the startup, okay? Thank you, Manny. I don't use JSON, I use XML because I hate myself. Well, I hate you too, so I'm glad that we had this moment together, okay? It makes me feel good. Post Bunny, what if it's the most significant bit? A bit more depth, a bit isn't very much to computer people. Yeah, it's a good point, Post Bunny. What about if it's the MSB? Little b, okay? Oh, dang, we got to Learn with Leon. By the way, Learn with Leon, great guy. If you guys don't know Learn with Leon, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go like this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to Twatter. Okay, twatter.com. And I'm going to show you Learn with Leo. Learn with Leon, okay? Apparently it's not. I know it's what the heck's happening here? Where is he? What's his name? It's Leon something. It's his actual name. There you go. That guy. Leon Noel. Go follow this guy. If you're new to programming, he's legit. Creates a really great course. He's been really helping people. He's done a lot of really amazing things. Talk to him, okay? Watch him. He does really good stuff if you're just trying to get into programming. I, on the other hand, I'm kind of like a, I was once described on Twitter by somebody who runs a very large open source project as nothing but a leech and useless to the community. So I want you to really kind of weigh those two things. You got Leon over here who's propping people up. And then you actually have a human-shaped leech. And so I want you to remember that, okay? Sag. Name drop, no. Accurate analysis. Are you sitting on I am. I'm sitting on an exercise ball. I love the exercise. Besides algorithms, what topics do you consider to be the most important CS-wise? I do think design patterns and all that. Once again, I'm sorry. I'm not myself when I'm hungry. I need Snicker bars. That's okay. You could call. Let's see. You should stream Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. It's the only place I could finally really, truly fulfill my, you know what? I don't like that. I'm not going to fix my screen tearing. You know why? I don't care. Okay? I don't care. You go do you. You don't like the screen tearing? You know what you can do? Get the hell out of the startup, okay, buddy? Did you receive enough subs for VS Code? I did receive enough subs for VS Code. I am going to be using VS Code for 1 day. 1 day. That's it. I told you the exact cost of how much it would do. 1 day, okay? That's it. So are you ready? Should we start VS Code today? Okay, Edutainer sucks real bad. I know. Can you believe that? How can you handle me out of my screen tearing? You don't even deserve people actively watch and don't listen to Prime screaming in the background while working. Yeah, I haven't been Rickrolled enough today. I forgot who I listened to that gave me the best Rickroll of my lifetime. All right, 600. I think we're ready to go. A little Tokyo. Tokyo! And Porque Maria. All right, are you ready? Wow, JS and VS Code in 1 day. TwitchCon has changed you. I know. TwitchCon wants nothing but to teabag me. Fleet came out today. You should try that. All right, let's try Fleet. Fleet download. All right. I'm kidding. I'm not going to do that. Are you serious? A 2-hour intro, doc? Shut up, okay? It's part of the intro. Leech, I think, is what Ken Wheeler that gave you the best Rickroll ever. Ken Wheeler crushes me. My caps lock is broken. Do VS Code. No. All right, Bradley, so I just want you to know, when you spam something,
Welcome to Costco.
I tend to get close to just kicking you out of the startup, okay? Ken Williams gave the best Rickroll. You mean Ken Wheeler? Thank you, Uber Lupus. I met someone named Lupus. I met Emu. Is it Emu Lupus? I met her at TwitchCon, too. She was actually really cool. Out of all the people to meet, Lapis. She was pretty cool. This was actually a lot of fun. It was honestly probably the most fun person to meet. Met a couple really fun ones. Empty 700 megabyte project. I had 50 subs. Prime has to use Visual Studios. Do you like emo girls? No.
Welcome to
I like my
Costco.
wife. Thank you, Godam. All right, are you ready to do this? Are you ready to do this? Let's get started. Do you like sex? Well, I am a sex haver, okay? I have 4 children, so I have at least 4 sexual encounters in my lifetime. Minimum. Minimum. I hate YouTube chat. I know, it's what it is. Minimum. Minimum. A wife and waifu are the only option. Stop bragging. Well, you know. You know, it's part. Okay, one last thing. I'm going to show you one last thing. One last thing. Are you ready? One last thing. I feel very proud of this. I made this up in the airport. Okay? I feel like this is truly OnlyFans embracing its proper and important logo. Okay? It's truly the OnlyFans experience. All right? I just feel like this is it. In fact, we're gonna go here and go like this. OnlyFans. Yeah. There you go. Let's go. OnlyFans. Oh my gosh, it's real. I know. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, so how many subs to rename yourself to Leech on Twitter? No, I'm not going to do it. Sex or code? Clearly code. Only DJs when? I use OnlyFans, by the way. I don't use Orange. Wait, what else? Dude, I use Ubuntu. I'm not a psychopath. Okay, in my university, in the beginner programming course, we learned Java and immediately installed IDVM. Is really not bad. So the plugin. Yeah. Which distro to use? Ubuntu.
Welcome
I use
to
Ubuntu.
Costco.
Thank you, DL Hubrix. All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you all ready? Are all 619 of you ready? Let's get started. So here's the deal. I really do appreciate that. Hubrix. All right, so this is what we're doing today. We are starting the process via, well, first off, let me show you something, right? You guys probably wanted to see, how did I get these amazing results, right? I did 2 separate things right here. Here, actually, let's quit this. I did 2 separate things. Oh, did I already clear my screen? Well, shit. Res 2. I mean, these things aren't even usable anymore, are they? Here, I'm just going to go like this. We're going to just run right now. Here, in fact, I'm going to run as XXX. Wow. And we're going to do this. All right, so let me show you a little bit of code today, because remember, yesterday we were looking at what makes JavaScript fast. And here's something that a lot of people don't consider when using JavaScript. So what I have here is I have a constructor for foo. I have a function for object, and I have a function for object, but with 10 properties. I have the exact same thing as a class, and then I have the exact same thing again as a class. Then I have something called an object store, which is effectively just an object pool. I have something as simple as this. This is just slow because it has to reallocate, right? Blah. Then I have create prop, and then right here is that I have some nice, beautiful kind of checking, making sure I get the right store based on incoming parameters. So am I creating 5 objects at a time? What am I doing? Blah, 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 blah. And then I have temporary memory in which I'll hold onto the objects I create. And then after that, every time I collect, I release all my items back into the object pool if we're doing object pooling. And then I count this. Once we get there, print out the results, exit the process. During run, what we're going to do is we are going to first make sure we create the right amount of props this time. From there, we're going to collect every single so often we'll collect. And then what I'm going to do is we'll first do 1,000 at a time and just push this and we'll copy this, right? So they'll either copy it as a new object or as a prop. Props using spreading or an object. Objects using spreading. The actual new thing is using a new. Then I'll add that. And then if it's less than this, we'll do that whole adding more and do the whole collect phase. So then I clear out the memory and we check, do we need to report it? And that's all I do. So pretty dang simple. Remember, this guy thinks that JSON is only 40%, or not using JSON is only 40% faster. So he's about to get banned. Don't worry. So anyways, so if you look right here, this one just on my local computer, using just objects and just spreading them to create copies, does this. Whereas not throwing away objects and reusing them, still resetting all the properties on them, is that. Big difference. Now, could I have made the test better? Probably. Does that mean you should go out and just redo everything you've ever done in JavaScript? Probably not. But if you're doing a library in which you can really control the life cycles, oh, what do these mean? This is 2,600 or 2,600 properties could be created per millisecond. This one,
Welcome to Costco.
we can effectively create / reuse 10,000 per millisecond. You know what I mean? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Hey, what's up, Vegerod? Hey, Rockstar 3000 Boo JS. I know, Milord. Higher the better. Higher the better, right? Higher the much better. So it's like approximately 3 to 4 times better. What's up, Vegerod? Thank you, Noir. So which one's better? Reusing your objects. So my general rule of thumb is this. If you're building a library in which you can reuse objects and you have a very defined life cycle and it's something that's being used constantly and very, very fast, you should consider pooling. Now you should do tests. Make sure you actually do some real good tests, right? Set up a server, use your library, try to do a bunch of connections, create an app that's kind of small but still somewhat real worldy and see, like, does it make a real difference in real things? And if it does, you should consider doing something about it. You know what I mean? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Yeah. Why isn't memory pooling built into JavaScript interpreters? Because it's extremely effing hard. That's why. We can also make objects cache friendly with pooling. Yeah. New measure. Prime defines as objects per millisecond. You like that? Why don't you ban that guy? What guy? People keep saying that. I don't know which guy you're referring to. If I missed it, it's pretty impressive. I know. It's cool. It's cool, huh? Prove it. I met my girlfriend by wanting to talk to her about Arch, and I didn't talk to her about Arch. You took my advice. Just ban him already. Sufyan? No, he didn't say 40%. He said, this is what he said. He said, I asked him, how much faster is using like this binary encoding we're using with Deku versus JSON? He said 40%. I said, all right, here's the deal. If it's faster, we ban him. If it's slower or he is right, I donate $100 to the NeoVim Foundation. Okay? Good bet. Okay, Go benchmark tests are good for comparing things like this. That's good, right? That's why I literally thought, oh my gosh, we're all reading each other's minds. We are. Tokyo! Hey, Christian, let's go. What are you doing? Well, let's go. So what we're going to be doing now is, this is effectively how we're going to be doing it. We're going to go to Vim Royale. I'm going to hit enter, assuming I'm correct. Okay, I'm just correct. We're on Vim Royale. And we were doing some Rust yesterday, but today we're going to do something different, okay? Today, we're going to jump in here and we're going to do some JavaScript, okay? So I'm going to have an index.ts, okay? Everyone loves TS, okay? We're going to do ourselves a little TS config. What do we got here? Let's use strict just because it is actually pretty good. I like strict. There you go. Okay, we have that. Outdoor, we definitely want one of these as we do this. Dist, right? Definitely want that. There we go.
Welcome
and
to
so
Costco.
what we're going to be doing here, Fryuni! Yo, Prime Leech, why does Vim take so long to find the right file when I'm not even sure what that means. NeoVim, the greatest Vim. Fryuni, thank you. Strict configs create stronger devs. Act under the assumption you are correct until proven otherwise. It's true. Post Bunny's correct. Everyone in chat is a Virgin JS user. Damn, did you hear that? Hey, Gelmega. So we're going to be going back and forth between Rust and this, but we're going to be doing JavaScript today. Okay, maybe Rust tomorrow. By the way, get the hell in the startup, okay? The Discord is where it's all at, okay? My microphone got all screwed up. All right, the Discord's good times. It's good times, okay? And second, I do need to do one last thing. Why do I have to tell you every effing time to like the video? I literally want to stop, but you just won't shut the
Welcome to Costco.
You won't shut the up about it. Just do it. Okay? Don't make me ask. It's pathetic.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you. Hey,
love
Perry, 8787, of course, Goriah. Woohoo! Appreciate that. You have an awesome personality. You have awesome typing skills, and I appreciate that. Are you the doctor? Are you the brother of Dr. Disrespect? Just come here. Hey, come over here. Yeah, come on. You're almost there. Hey. No, we're not related. Okay, I'm 5'12". The doc is 6'8". Okay, you realize that's like a part of a human taller than me. Okay, I'm only 5'2". 12. I'm not even scratching the tippity of the toppity, okay? So please, put respect where respect is, okay? You got that? You got that? Hey, Fry Uni. Thank you. Hey, Fry Uni. I appreciate that, okay? I really do. I really do like it. I met my girlfriend while working in JavaScript. Yeah, right.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you very much, Testo. Welcome. All right, here we go. So now that we have that, let's go in here and let's just start creating this. Go. So normally I'd create a server in which is going to take in TCP stuff. So let's just do that now. I don't even remember how to do TCP sockets, Node.js. Let's go. Let's get this thing done. Here we go. I also have one more thing I really want to build. Do you guys want to hear this? Can I tell you about it? I have this idea and it is incredible. Can I tell you about it? All right, here we go. One of my baby daddies is 6'8". I like that statement. All right, here we go. Are you ready for this?
Welcome to Costco.
I have a theory. I have a theory. Thank you, Joe Omega. I can't believe you're still doing that. It just blows my mind. It blows my mind. Okay, I have this theory that 2-space indentation is bad for your soul and it's bad for a code base, okay? That is my theory. Are you ready for my proof? How I'm going to prove it. Are you ready for how I'm going to prove this? I'm going to go to Babylon. Babylon JS GitHub. Okay? I'm going to go to Microsoft TypeScript GitHub. All right? And I'm going to go to all the other places that are in here. Are you going? I'm going to go to all the other places with 4-space indents, and then I'm going to go to all the ones with 2-space. We got React, we got Vue, we got Svelte, we got Solid, we got Lodash, right? And I'm going to go through all of them. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to jump over to Tree Shitter. Actually, I can't spell it that way. I'll literally never find it. I believe there's actually one called Tree Shitter JavaScript, which just makes it super easy to use. And boom, got bindings. We're going to parse every last one of these code bases and determine the average and median cyclomatic complexity of 2-space versus 4-space indenting. All right? Huh? You know what? You know what's going to happen? After I am done making sweet science on your ass, I'm going to tell you why you are wrong and 2-space indenting is terrible, okay? Come on. Almost hit it. Yeah, but tell me it's not good, dude. Man, what a leech. I know. Come on. Tell me that's not some science. We're going to make some sweet science, okay? I'm already reading 36,000 rows from XLXS and posting it to MongoDB using fetch. Guess how much time that will take? Way too long. I've even seen 8-space tabs. Ouch. 8-space is pretty hard. Sweet science on your JS. Yeah, I know. This is brilliant. Thank you. Thank you. Indenting is literally the devil. You know, maybe I'm wrong. What if 2-space is more prevalent? It's not about prevalent. It is about what is best, okay? You got to remember that at one point, programming in Turbo Pascal was considered the wave, okay? Just because it's cool today does not mean it's cool. Go, of course, uses tabs, right? Why is your hoodie so dirty? Because I don't have any water, okay? I'm hauling in water, okay? One of my friends uses 8-space tabs and Nano to program. Yeah, that's pretty intense. All right, anyways, here we go. So let's get started. Let's jump over here and go like this. A Node.js, a TCP, a socket. Let's go. So we're going to just jump in here, jump in this really, really quickly. Go over here. Let's create it. And that create server path join. All right, TCP. Let's go. Give me your TCP, baby. Create server. Let's go. Come on, do it. Look at this nice 2-space indenting. Like nothing but chumps. Okay? Nothing but chumps. All right. Whoopsies. Oh, no. There we go. Cannot find this. Really? Why not? Yarn add types node. Let's go. First try. First try, people.
Welcome to Costco.
Why are you doing
I
that?
love you.
Royst rolled and red anthrax.
Welcome to
Let's go.
Costco.
Come on,
I
let's
love
go.
you.
Thank you very, very much. You got sand and potato salad. Hell yeah. 5 miles of tabs. Yes, baby. It will be Daddy Justice who will be crapping on him this time. Hopefully, it's gotta love your num. Nice. Thank you, Prime. What about migrating C plus 99 to TypeScript? Uh-oh. It's my beautiful wife. Sort of. Not like super. Yeah, I could wait. I could wait. Hi, did you just wake up? Your hair looks very beautiful. You can give me a kiss. Come here. You can't play with that though. Nope, can't play with my sound. You want to type something? Say hi. Say Dabu D. What is that face? What is that face? All right, here, take this creature. Ugh. Bye. 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 How funny was that? Just looked at me. Didn't want anything. All right, here we go. She is fluffy. She is fluffy. Are you a dot file? Yeah, my dot file. So yeah. That's right. A little baby Vimmer. You know what I mean? Little baby Vimmer. Take this creature. I know. How are you, teacher Rust? I don't know. All right, so let's get going. So here we go. So we have this. This is very important, okay? So what do we have here? Let's not do this. Let's go. Ooh, C pipe C. I don't know what that means. What is C pipe C? Let's see. A stream is an abstract interface for working with streaming data in Node.js. A stream module provides an API for implementing the stream interface. There are many stream objects provided by that. Request to an HTTP server, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that means, why are we doing C to C? Can I do something different? How do I see it to myself? Is there just like an on that I'm supposed to be doing? Right, there's the data, and I assume this is gonna be some sort of buffer, which is gonna be a buffer is my guess. Am I wrong on that one? Is that true? Okay, it is. I guessed it correctly. You know why? You trying to pipe? I don't really know how to use their pipes. Yes, yes, yes. Whoa, what? Thank you. Stop. True. Stop. She's not speaking because you're using JS. What is your completing key? Control N and Control N and CN / P for next and this, and then CY for make it happen. No one can. Those are made up terms for made up things. 2 spaces aren't a tab. Kid was like, nah, Dad, Vim is amazing. I was once a doubter. Now I'm blazingly fast. My pipe is 2 spaces long. Damn. How can you multicast? How can you do that? Someone has my nickname, Tier 1, let's go. Fleet, this fleet that is about you starting fleet in the faith and fleet screen key. Screen key is on. I'm just covering it. You want it? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. All right, there you go. Oh my goodness, I literally just get started and you guys actually just stop me like that. Why would you turn off my screen? All right, here we go. So let's go like this. So let's just make sure we understand what's happening really, really quickly. Let's do that, and then let's go into bin. Let's go in this, go like this, game client.rs. Yes, we're gonna be writing this in Rust. The test client needs the maximum speed. It needs the maximum thread usage. It needs the maximum blazingly fast, and the only way to be blazingly fast is to use Rust, okay? So don't forget that, kids, okay? TCP socket Rust. Let's go. Should be pretty simple. This one should be pretty dang simple if I'm not mistaken. Go in here, do one of these things. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, super easy. Let's go. Let's go. Function main. Let's go. Result. Resquirt. Result. Reslut. I thought, you know, how many times I've typed reslut in my lifetime? It's actually absurd. Whoa. Return. I hate implicit returns. Screw you. Last time I checked, this is included. VCA. Okay, let's just quit because it's Rust. You can't possibly. Okay. Quit. Quit. I don't know what's wrong with you, but quit. All right, Vim. Let's go back to where are you? Ben, because we need the game client. Let's go into here. Let's go use anyhow.
Welcome to
Oh
Costco.
my goodness! Why would you do that? We're in the middle of a hot
Welcome
roll.
to Costco.
Standard
I love
TCP
you.
stream. Let's go. I'm in the middle of a hotness. I'm blazingly fast right now. How can you be blazingly fast with assembly too? No debugger typos can be awkward AF. They can be prime. Yesterday I used FlameGraph, and thanks to you, I knew how to read it. Nice. You're welcome. Gamozo, I don't like implicit returns. I'm unsubbing. That's funny you would say that while subbing. You know what I'm going to do? Gamozo. By the way, Gamozo, I missed you at TwitchCon. Imagine how much things we could have done with each other. I could have bought you a beer. The Hutchery, thank you.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you.
I
All
love
right,
you.
here we go. So, but now we don't get to, okay? Because you were being you're too busy being a butthead. Okay? So we're gonna write a one, we're gonna read a one. I believe they have 8134. Is that what I actually saw this stupid thing make? I think that's what it is. What did they do? What? 24, right? Yeah. What did Gamozo say? He said nothing. I had enough rough month. TwitchCon, sadly, wasn't it? I'm sorry. We're getting better. I'm sorry. I didn't know you had a rough month. I would have bought you a beer. I would have bought you a shot. I would have bought you a vodka Red Bull and partied with you until 4 in the morning, which I did. And I don't drink. And so, therefore, I got so drunk, I hated my life for a moment. All right, let's go. Vodka Red Bull. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, it's just Neovim. This is just Neovim. That's all it is. All right, here we go. All right, so now that we have that, I should be able to go like this. Cargo, run, bin, game, client. Let's go. It can't possibly do it because there's other... Fuck you. Okay, why are you doing any of this? None of this is important right now. It's not even a part of it. Okay? All right. Stupid. There we go. Connection refused. Perfect. That means now I can just go like this. NPX. Oh, crap. Yarn add TS node TypeScript. Let's go. TypeScript. There we go. Well, let's see. Java is better than JS. Don't ban me, Prime. You didn't get a hangover. I got so hungover. Get drunk in Rust. Dude, I got drunk in Rust. Whoa, even JSON's in the chat. Let's go, JSON. Porque Maria. Let's do it. All right, here we go. So we're going to go npx ts node source index. Start the server. The server is bound. I am bound to the promised land. Look at this. We wrote it. Okay, so we now have it. We are now sending over the TCP information. So let's take it to the next level. Let's start using Deku, the blazingly fast, Rust library for encoding and decoding structs. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Rish is speaking Mexican to speaking Spanish, as writing TypeScript is to writing a JavaScript. Yeah, bound. Which programming language? Both. No crates allowed. That's cheating. I'm using, well, I mean, it's actually, so Gamozo, I actually wasn't using crates because it actually was very easy what we were doing. But we went to messages, right? And I started playing with Deku. Have you seen Deku? It's pretty cool. Where's your software bill of materials? That's right. Why don't you go bill my balls? So what it does is that you can kind of say what to do. You can say the endianness of everything. I can add an ID so I can actually tag an enum, not having the 4-byte tag in memory. So now it's only going to have a 1-byte tag, a U8 instead of a U32. For the discriminator. All kind of some neat stuff. How cryptographic functions work. Cryptographic functions take in input and make output. Duh. What, you haven't inversed a matrix in a while? Nope. I mean, really? You haven't literally went to the negative first power on a matrix? Dear sweetness. Okay, what is this? Thanks. Let's see. It would be fun to take a look at this tweet. I don't really want to take a look at the tweet, but I will. I'll look at it. You know what? You're not even a sub and you're telling me to follow this. If this is not good, I'm going to just ban you. Coding sauce? If you're learning to be a programmer, stop practicing these bad coding habits. 1, overloading code with comments. You should need minimum comments. 2, using mutable data everywhere. Duplicating code. Writing overly long functions. Using static data for hold big objects. Using inconsistent and or non-standard formatting conventions.
Welcome to Costco. I love you. Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I can't believe you made me read that. I cannot believe you made me read that.
Пошли. Все вместе.
Какие ваши доказательства?
Кокаином.
Thoroughly unimpressed with what I just read, okay? Okay, hey, here's the deal. I don't care. Okay, I don't need to see yet another Twitter clickbait influencer tech guy just completing day 34 out of 100, okay? I don't need to read another one. Please, you got to knock it off, okay? I came in here for bathroom ramen. I'm so upset I can't even eat. It just kills me. All right, anyways, boot camp day 34. He's spamming fancy words. That's right. Beautiful course on how to not to sexually harass my employees today. Oh, good job. Way to do it. Really? Is this what we're doing? We're just doing crappy code reviews? Hello, Tech Twitter. I'll be posting Next.js tutorials and threads. If you want to learn Next.js, then follow me and let's learn together. I'll be posting them daily.
That scared me.
Oh, that scared me. I forgot I redid that alert, and I just shit my pants. Oh, my goodness, Gamozo. Oh, my goodness. That was my beautiful wife, by the way. We were playing Tarkov together, and she... Oh! I don't like this guy. I don't know who this guy is, but get him out. I can tell you right away. I don't like that guy. I don't like that guy. I don't like him. Karen, I'm over here enjoying a moment by Gamozo, the one and the only, the doctor, allocator. And next thing you know, on the other side, we got ourselves spammed like wild. What is going on, Karen? Okay, why haven't you talked to the junior interns yet? They didn't shower? That's reasonable. It's just like TwitchCon. You know how many people didn't shower at TwitchCon? Good answer. All of them. That's actually exactly, you nailed it. Real talk, though. We got him out. Don't worry. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. Tokyo! I appreciate it. Streams are too scary. It was a lot of fun. What's a shower? The other side is YouTube. Yeah, only Theo, Prime, and a handful of others showered. We did. We showered together. We put our arms interlocked and then spun in circles. Butts in. Okay, once I stop convince myself I'm dying, I'll start streaming again. Dang. I'm going to whisper you. I want to know more about what... Are you okay? We should probably chat. Real talk. If you're having problems, I want to know.
I love you.
Butt to butt, yeah, it prevents tip to tip. Why is YouTube's low volume compared to other YouTube videos? I don't know. Thank you very much, Pepper Tilly. I appreciate that. Kaziv Focus. Bang Anxiety Month. I got support I need. Okay. Any tips for preparing for a whiteboard interview? Make up your own language, right? That's what I do. Ooh, a spider. I'm going to crush it with my finger. Got it. All right. Anyways, so there we go. So we got some Deku clients. I like to hear that, though. Really. I'm happy to hear that. I hate hearing other stuff. You know what I mean? Stop. Take that. Put it in here. Up that one. And
hey, Prime, can you elaborate your name origin history?
It's in my... I was about to insult you, but... It's in my, what's it called? Thank you for the R's, the R dollars. It's in my bio on Twitch. Effectively, Turok 2 is the hardest video game of all time, and the last leader is named the Primogen. The Primogen. The Primogen. Don't kill spiders. They're our friends. Kill the other insects and flies. Yeah, they also are terrifying, and I hate them. My kids made up a language yesterday. Flip is in Dreamland. Flip is in Dreamland. But serious talk. That's it. When I was a kid, thought it was the hardest game. I loved really hard games. All right, let's keep on going. So here we go. We have a stop message. Why not, right? There we go. So we have our serialized, deserialized. We should be able to do this now. So I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to write out to them a, what is it called? It's called a server message, right? A server message. Let's go in here, and let's go like this. Create a who am I? Oh, yeah, I like this. Do we need anything else? Well, right now, I guess... I'll just kind of hand create a stop message, right? Let's stop message equals, what do we got here? We got message, which is going to be a message stop, which is going to be a tuple of 0x4569. You know what I'm talking about? There we go. Oh, yeah, it's message. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. And then jump in here, and let's do that. Let's import that son of a B sequence number 69 and version number 420. Wait, is version number a byte? Version number is a byte. That was terrible. That's 69, and let's make this one 420. There we go. Make that, put that there, and then we're gonna go like this. Let's stop message equals. How do you serialize again? Or serialize? I already forgot how to do this. Let's see. Message serialize. Oh, I just put that on there? Well, what a nice guy I am. I knew I was a nice guy. Stop message.serialize. What do we got? We got a result. Ooh, I don't want a vec. Is there a way I don't have to use a vec? Yeah. There we go. Oh, those are private fields. Hold on, sorry. Yeah, I mean, I kind of like them not being private song. This song slaps. Yes, it does. Shit-talking Prime's terrible code really helps take the load off. Gamozo, you know I've always been willing to help take a load off. You know this. Ban boring code. Who's banned boring code? Oh, gosh. Do you really want to do it again? Why you got to be like that? Boring code. Why do you got to be like that? Nobody likes that person. Honestly, nobody wants to be that person. Damn. YouTube sucks. YouTube, stop sucking. And you know the thing you can do to immediately stop sucking? Press the like button already. Jeez. Anyways, let's keep on going. YouTube sucks indeed. Would you take a job or move somewhere you don't want to be for a year to fast track your goals? If I didn't, you know, depends on the life and all that. We'll do Rust tomorrow. Well, Chad Life, I'm only sending a message over. Right? There we go. Look at that. There's Deku. There's Deku, people. There's Deku, people. Look at that. 4545. That's our stop message. 01. That's the stop message. So let's create a deserializer for those that didn't see what happened right there. Right here. Stop. Tag 1, right? So when we go back over here, tag 1, 4545, awesome. Our version was Or that would be our version 4. That one, A4. Which one's that one? 01A4. I don't even know what those ones are. What the hell is the rest of that crap? It's something. It's something, okay? 45, 45, 45. Not sure if Bremgen's yelling or Michael from The Office. YouTube has a new style for me since today. Everything is so much border radius. Yep. Yep, this song slaps harder than your mom. Well, you obviously haven't kicked a ball into the side of the house. Wait, are you serious? It has a field in a tuple. Yes. Gamozo, it does, because I just put something random in there just to stop it, okay? I'm just testing it out. I'm giving it a ride, okay? Stop it. Okay, that's the hex. That makes sense. This is getting fun. I know. All right, so there we go. So now we go back to here. Where are we? So now let's actually create the server messages, right? Look at this. I'm already in here. Messages.ts. Let's go to messages.ts, okay? And we're going to have a type message equals. Do one of those. We should probably also have an enum. Ooh, the problem is the enum. The enum is tricky because in TypeScript, it's a fake type system that sucks. Whereas Rust has a real type system. So it actually really makes this hard to do. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's kind of hard. It makes it hard. What's your opinion on a C#? Stupid. Stupid. Is JSON slow? Yes, it is. But we're gonna prove it. We're gonna do it. Well, we're not gonna like super prove it. We're just gonna do something pretty straightforward. Okay. So let's go like this. Server message, because I forgot how hard this is gonna be with a fake ass type system. It's gonna be hard, but we're gonna get through it. Okay. Do you guys think we're gonna get through it? All of you? Are we gonna get through it? All of you? Are we doing it? Are we doing it? The answer is yes, and you better shut up and agree with me. Yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. First try. Absolutely. Let's go. I love it. I love your attitude. All right, so we do have something that's going to be difficult, which is I'm going to need to have a type message, and what it's going to come on it, right here with a, dude, I hate putting the word message type in an enum, but we have a who am I, which equals 0, and a stop, which equals 1, and then we have to type descript because you can't do untagged types in TypeScript. You just can't. There's no untagged types in TypeScript, or else it's awful. You got this first try? Absolutely every try. Okay, message type. Do you like this? Oh man, doesn't this just feel good? I think it feels great. So we do that, and now we have to do some weird stuff on it. My favorite part in Rust is arc mutex dyn any. Gamozo. That's giving me anxiety. I have been coding all day. Nothing is more relaxing than watch someone else type even faster than me. You're welcome. When are you creating your own programming language? Easy. November 5th. 12-hour race to creating my own programming language. It is going to be called interpreterbook.com. Yeah, right here. We're going to do it right here.
Give me the meat.
Right there.
And give it
For
to me
charity. Okay.
First try.
Thank you. You sucked me hard, man. And I appreciate that. Stefan Jasson. Remember the 6th of November. You activated his trap card. Hi, Thorsten. Yeah, thank you. It is Thorsten stuff. Stack Overflow's down. Good. Seems pretty much erect to me. How do you use Stack Overflow? Oh my goodness, I actually don't know how to search. Why am I on .co? What the hell is? Oh my goodness, how do I get out of here? This product sucks. I don't even want to look at it. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. Hey, I get all those references. Never seen the front page of Stack Overflow before. You're stuck there now. Dude, I have no idea how to use it. Thank you for the follow. I've never seen the homepage. Dude, I don't know how I got there. I'm terrified. There we go. Anyways, message type. Then we need to do something like this. This is not gonna, this ain't it. This ain't it. All right, so let's go like this. Who am I equals type message type. I think this is how you have to do it in TypeScript because it's a beautiful language. Okay, it's a beautiful language, and we have a value, and that's going to be a number. Okay, And we're going to go like this and paste that in. And we're going to go, who am I? What's the next one called? It's called a stop message, which will actually have 2 numbers in it. And it'll have a stop. Let's go. Then we have a type message, which is going to be right here. And go a who am I union type. Does anyone actually search on Stack Overflow? No idea. Does that say OnlyFans? Every day of my life. If you ever want the hottest OnlyFans content of all time, go to onlyfans.com/theprimeagen. I kid you not. One of these days, I'll post myself licking the keyboard deeply, swiftly. And yes, that is a VS Code background to it, okay? Enum defaults to 0. I don't know if it does, so I'm just writing it in there. I'm forcing it. Do we get some feed pick? Maybe. Does that say OnlyFans? It does. Yeah. This image, live reacted for $19.99 a month. All right. And of course, a server looks, server message looks a little something like this. Going here. I don't know why I did such bad vertical editing. Do that and do one of those. Sequence number, that looks good. Number, message, DAP, down, go, up, type, export, type, 17, up, export, 11 down. Oh, I had that right there. What stupid me. There we go. Got it. Thank you. Get 50 milliseconds, son. Get 50. Sorry to be that guy, but YouTube is in your title. Title. Why is JavaScript is slow? No, you're not. Title. Why is JavaScript and JSON so slow? We don't know why yet. In my head, who am I is e. Has Primeagen used Swift? No. I'm not using anything that involves Xcode. No, he's a Linux user. No, he's a Unix user. I always hit the blog post from Stack Overflow, never the front page. Loving your LinkedIn post. Thank you. For those that don't know, I have decided that I no longer wish to be useful on LinkedIn. And I have decided to go... I don't even know how to do it. Damn it. I've decided to go all in on LinkedIn. Okay? I've gone all in. I've been working really, really hard. Okay? What do you think? How many people are going to die from Ligma? Real question. How many people are going to die from Ligma? How many professional LinkedIn CEOs are going to die from Ligma? Real talk. Stay Ligma. Stay Ligma, people. Gamozo, I'm not. For out of respect, I do not wish for you to die. Okay. JSON is slow because he has a long knife. Figma, yeah. Can't use LinkedIn. Can't use Stack Overflow. Thank you. End comments. What the heck about LinkedIn? Bio. Yeah. Ligma. All right. Anyways, so this looks good. So now we have the types, and so now what we need to do is we need to have a parse message function. Export function parse message. Let's call this a default function, huh? And we're gonna parse a message. I can't speak. My throat. My throat still hurts from TwitchCon. I went too deep at TwitchCon with the vocals. Gamozo was asking for, and I get 404 on your LinkedIn. Good. Errorism. I sent your post to my CEO, and he was nice. That's what we talking about. Girlfriend just asked what Ligma is. You know what I had to do to her. Did you really kill your girlfriend? Devavocado at the startup. Let's go. All right, so message. It's going to return, it's going to be a buffer, and it's going to return, and an offset, which is going to be a number. And we'll let it equal 0, and it's going to return out a server massage. Okay, let's go. I hope you guys are ready for this. So this should be pretty easy to do. Let's make sure we have the type. So we're going to go like this. Do you feel these fingies? Fingies feel fast. Const. Actually, we could probably just go like this. Well, I guess you can't quite do that, can we? So, this song has one a line of code. Yeah. Oh, there it is. That's not me. Um, I don't even know. That's not me. You went to TwitchCon and didn't film? No, I didn't do any of that. That's some random. It's not. It's literally a dead. It should be a dead end. Export.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Thank you very much, Sir Backfish. Appreciate that. I don't know, Deku, Wasm, TypeScript, or no. We're just doing JSON. Whoa. All right. So we have this. So I have to go like this. Const len equals message dot read uint 8. There we go. And let's go like this. Offset. There we go. If len is greater than message dot length minus offset, byte length minus offset minus 1, then we need to just return undefined. We're unable to do anything, right? Undefined. There we go. So now that we have that, we do have the first part fixed, right? So if we cannot parse the message, we don't parse the message. But if we can parse the message, let's start doing it now. So this is the part that sucks because Deku just works. It's awesome. I don't have this. Thank you, Burks. How to become a real software engineer from front-end dev. Ooh, you can't. I hate to tell you this. Who do you don't? Okay. Rename your channel to Dr. Primogen, please. No. Who'd you meet at, did you meet Joe at TwitchCon? I did not meet Joe. With whom is Joe? Nobody knows. Any Canadians here have a question relating to IT companies? By the way, real talk, if you want me to do a react thing or something to a video, Twitter post, whatever, if it's good enough, I make a YouTube video out of it, and I'll give you the credit. Put it in this channel. Prime should react too. I review them. Okay? Hey, Prime, did you ever get RSI problems? Not, dude, the keyboard has made huge helps. That's exactly why I hate that they changed their title to engineer. I'm not even sure what you're talking about at this point. Yes, this is true, but I'm an explicit person. Can you review Fleet? No. Any good create recommendations, Prime? Oh, I really like Saturday. Seems like Twitch has a really good streaming system. It does. All right, so there we go. So we have this. So now we need to start actually parsing out the thing. I kind of feel like I need to return more than just a message. I need to return message and the next and the length consumed, right? So I'm going to return something, and one of it's going to be a length plus 1, right? That makes sense. All right, and that means I don't do anything. Okay, so let's get this object out. Let's see if I can just inline this whole. I can't inline it. It's too difficult. I think it's too difficult. Let's go like this. Let's go const parse map. Oh, wrong language. Equals. What are you? Message type. Function parse who am I sucks. Message buffer offset number. Who am I? Let's go. Parse. Dude, I hate this. I'm writing my own parsing. This sucks. This is sucking. Sucks, but I don't want to do this. Parse who am I? Let's go. Do that. Message type. Oop. Undo that. And message type. Who am I? Message stop. There we go. Can I define this? How would I define this? It would be a key that is a message type, right? Message. I don't like this song. It's too intense. It's too intense. And this will take in a buffer. Let's see, a message, which is a buffer, and offset, which is a number, and it's going to return, we need something to say what it's going to return. It's going to return a message, but of a specific type. Screw it. Let's see if it just knows what it's doing. I don't even know. Hides under the nearest bush from staff. You should. Yo, not attending or watching Demuxed today? What is Demuxed? What's Demuxed? Please tell me there's a joke here. Demuxed these nuts on your face? Face mouth? Are you about to demux these nuts on face mouth? Ban. Demux is a video. No, I don't. No. I don't really do like video creation. You know what I mean? I don't want to do video creation. You know what I mean? That's not really for me, that part of thing. That part of video stuff, boring. Finally, the upload is complete. Let's go. Why don't you use Vimium? Because it is too much mental overhead, honestly. All right, so we're going to go like this. Let's go like this. Sequence number version, right? I believe it starts off with sequence number.
Welcome to Costco.
Oh, thank you.
I love you.
Do you like that? Did you like that? I appreciate that, okay? Sam Blex, thank you. Tokyo! I appreciate that. I like the new subscribe video. Yeah, there's actually quite a few of them now. Now we got a whole thing going. And Gamozo, I can't believe you did 50 gifted subs. You don't have to do that, Gamozo. You don't. You don't. You don't. But I will say this, Gamozo. With that kind of attitude, I feel like you could be up here looking down with me with empathy. You know, the reason why they call me a CEO is not because I'm chief executive executor, okay? It's because I'm chief empathy officer. Because when I look down on you, I look down with pity and sympathy and empathy and all the other Silicon Valley words in which make me appear better than you. And I've never felt better than you with this much empathy. Empathetic. All right. They are some nice, yeah, they're nice cubes. If you wear a hat, that can help your overhead. Is the screen switcher actually going burr? It's not supposed to. No, it did not. Okay, don't do that to me. Carmen, welcome. All right, so there we go. So we have that, and then we need the message, which I'm going to go parse map. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the following. Is I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to go like this. Message.readuint8 offset +4. I don't know why that was so bad. There we go. Parse map that, and then we're going to go message, and then we need an offset +5. That's not true. That is literally not true.
I love you.
How do you visually distinguish indentations in Vim? I don't visually distinguish them. My brain does it a long time ago. Isn't this chat more JSON and more JavaScript or more slow? They're all slow.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you. But Flip Edit's coming in with 40 months. Let's go. That's one of my first 40-monthers, okay? And Tokyo Maria out here putting up numbers like the 89 Pistons. Prime, what's your typing speed? More than yours. Does it matter? Does it matter? It doesn't. What matters is that it's bigger, greater, and grander than yours. All right, so I'm going to have to do this. I hate TypeScript. I hate TypeScript. I can say it. I can say that. I can say that I hate TypeScript. All right, here we go. Let's go like this. Function, let's go like this. Type, message type to type. Gosh, I hate this. All right, so how are we going to do this? My guess is I'm going to want to go like this. How do we want to do this? Dude, I hate defining these things. You know what I mean? I hate defining these things. It is just the worst. It is just the worst. It is just the worst. Message, I never know how to do this well. And even when I've done stuff with it, I still hate it. I always feel like it's just so dang verbose. Just get some types already. Gosh. Gash. You know what I mean? Just get some types. Prime 20 words per, yeah. I love coding in Python in my Mac. You said that over here. I love, you know what I love doing? That's what I love doing. Okay. So I should be able to go like this. Type parse map equals P in key of message type to type message buffer offset number return message type to type P. Damn it, it didn't work out. Okay, what happened here? Oh, yeah. I don't need it to be an interface, you know what I mean? What motion do you use to copy and select a function signature when you're inside of a function body? I guess in this one, you could easily go 8 up F over V8. You don't even need to do that. What am I saying? I can just go like this. 8. Oh, gosh. I can just go like this. 8K YA that. Boom. I have, oopsies, I don't have that one, but I do have that. That's with the things. If you want it without it, YI that. I keep doing that one. I don't know. All right, so now that we have that, let's parse these out. Back from stand-up. What's up, Vi? Nothing. How you doing? Vi, I'm going to be in the Valley in 2 weeks. You going to come hang out with me? Flip Edits videos on Arch on his MacBook. That's right. That's right. I love to see other programmers have the same way of talking to themselves. I thought I was insane. You're not insane. You're a normal person who talks to themselves about what they're doing, which technically makes you insane. Anyways, so let's go like this. If there is this thing, that means a who am I just has a value, right? A type, which is going to be a, my goodness, I love the verbosity of this all. Message get. Oh, thank you. Is this a sandwich for me? What's this? Oh, it's bubbling water. Bye. Hey. I'll take a kiss. Love you. No, get off my stuff. Bye. Bye. Sorry, it was my beautiful daughter again. My woman made me a sandwich. Can't even believe it. She does not use Arch Linux ever. Heck, ever. Oh, by the way, someone asked me if that was Arch Linux. I mean, if that was OnlyFans. Yeah, it's OnlyFans with their new logo. Arch. I don't like it. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Can you believe how offensive that was? Ridiculous, okay? Coming here, telling me that I should just expose my children like that? Getting the banhammer, Karen. Getting the banhammer. All right. How you guys doing? You guys enjoying everything? Did I miss anything? Did I forget to say this, Darth Trooper? Tokyo! Maria. Tokyo! There you go. I hope you're doing good. Ave Morales, welcome. How would you go about learning a new language or technology? I would do it by working on it difficultly until I figured it all out. Lots of bans today. Oh, yeah. Get the hell out. Get the hell out. Creepy way to say that. Nice move. Dude, Post Bunny. Am I not? I mean, when someone's just like, show me your children. It's like, no. What the hell is that, Athano? How'd you get that? How do you focus on coding and streaming at the same time? You take your brain and you do something, and then you do something different. Don't ban. No, it's just super cool. Thought I'd never ban you for something cool like that. All right, so now we gotta go get, or what is it? It's read you int 8. Here we go, and then we need to do the offset. I'm just gonna assume that the offset is the correct offset because, well, that would be stupid that I would pass that in any other way. So now this one, we gotta go who, stop, let's go. So we're gonna do more than that. What is it? It's number. That's right. That's right. All right, let's just paste that in, F that thing, just F it hard. You know what I mean? Boom, got it, first try. Made a tuple on both sides. Implicitly any, you can implicit any my balls, okay? What do you mean, implicit any? What do you mean? Const function. What does this thing even say it is? So this is the one. All right, so I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go const key is gonna be a message type equals that. Let's go. Now we can key this thing, right? Now it looks all pretty and it loves me. And now we can go function that. There we go. Beautiful, right? I guess we could put it all together. What's up, you sexy man? How's the goating going? Earholes McGee, so good. So Arch is the best, apparently. Yeah, I mean, if you use Arch, you will have enough time to spend all your money on OnlyFans. Why do you think Amaranth has millions of dollars? Here's the real question. I feel like Amaranth should have to give more to the Arch Foundation. Think about that. I think it's true. In fact, I think it's so true. I think a sign of goodwill would be that... dude, I don't even know how to spell her name. Amaranth. I'm not even close. I think there's an O in there, and I don't have it. I definitely don't have... Okay, back to Twitch. Let's go. I think it's Wildcat is her handle, if I'm not mistaken.
It's been a little while since I did this.
Wildcat? No. Okay. I thought it was something like that. I thought it was something I didn't quite... Amaranth. There you go. You got to get it correct. Dude, sorry, I don't use Arch. Okay? I don't use Arch. I think a sign of goodwill would be for Amaranth to donate some of her winnings from OnlyFans to Arch Linux, for they have made it possible. Good enough tweet. It's funny to me. I like it. How do you like the Advantage 360 more? I like it more. I like it a lot. Her winnings, yeah. Porque Maria. Yeah, it's very hard. Not a banger tweet, but solid. It's solid. It's not quite there. Tokyo! I didn't want to, like, workshop it. You know what I mean? Ammo is Latin for love. I love. She does run a FOSS stream. All right, there we go. So I have my parse function done. So I now should be able to come back here and go like this. Const parse equals... Oh my goodness, I named this the worst possible answer possible. Parse, buffer, 0. Console.log parse. Let's go. You ready for this? Kill that thing. Kill that thing. Run that thing. Run that thing. Function is not a function. Okay. I must have read this wrong. The speakers, where the speakers? They're usually coming from the speakers. Where's the music coming from? The speakers. What song is that? It's just a Miss Monique special. All right. I feel like I'm tired. Tired. You know what song I've really been enjoying lately? I've listened to it one too many times, but I like it. I just enjoy it. No. This is just a laptop. It's a Limer Pro. Thank you for the 2 follows. All right. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait a second. Oh, no, I'm not putting the length in there. Ah, crap. Wait, am I putting... No, I'm not putting the length in there. My game client sucks. Game client sucks. All right, my game client sucks. You just do it. Get the hell out of there. Overplay, get him out. Okay, I like this song. Okay, I like it. Do you think it's overplayed, Garen? Okay. Okay, because not gonna lie to you, I'm a little, I don't really know. I don't really know what to do with this information because all of a sudden I feel kind of embarrassed now. Like I'm out here jamming and then someone else is like,
oh, it's overplayed. Oh, it's so simple. A stupid song. Oh.
He talked just like that too, Karen. I loved it though, Karen. I love it, okay? I want you to know that right now! Mr. Tiny Hand, I'm right there with you, buddy. All right, here we go. So we did do something wrong, right? Can I, dude? All right, so we do have one problem, right? Ah, crap. See, I have this, but I need to, like, prepend something to it. You know what I mean? Like, ooh, I just realized, like, how annoying this format's going to be for a second, which is that when I'm serializing this try into business, oh, crap. The try into, it uses Deku, but I need to, like, pad it at the beginning. You know what I mean? Buffer, I hardly knew her. Well, his mom must be overplayed, too. That's right. All right. Because that's the hard part is that I got to take this. This is going to be the vector, and now I need to provide the length. You know what I mean? So I need to come in here and go like this.
Welcome to Costco.
There we go,
you.
baby. Let's go. Hey, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. This is a client. Yeah, it's a client for Vim Royale that I'm just kind of building up right now, right? There we go. Because we actually have two clients, and now we have two games running. See, I knew I had it correct. Oh, I have my sequence. I have something wrong with this and this, don't I? Yep. Yep. I mean, this is looking nice. I don't know what that is. Parse stop. Okay, so we did get the right thing. We got the right thing. All right, so let me just make sure. Virgin is a little large. Okay, we don't need a version that large. Okay, there should be no version that large. All right, so let's. Where are you? Where are you? Where is the thing? I don't think I'm gonna need that anymore. All right, there we go. All right, let's make sure we got that thing. All right. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, this all looks really, really good. I don't know what this array is, and I don't know what that 7 is. What the hell am I? Oh. Yes! That is right! Let's go! You're going to need a stream tomorrow. Yes, okay, we got it. We got it. I don't have an opinion. Yes, you can do. Do you still need hoodies? We might have a couple left. Can't wait for Rust 1/4/20. Yep, the other is a UEnt and the other is 32. That's 16. All right, so this is good. So we do have everything kind of set up to where we're kind of going back and forth really good. So I guess the next thing we need to do is we need to now also send over JSON. So now the real question is, can we do that Can we do that in Rust? You know what I mean? I feel like I need to be able to do something more in the Rust world. So this is going to be interesting. Can I jump on here and go like this? Serialize. Can I do serialize? Yes, I think I can. I think I can. I can. I can. I can do it. I can serialize this crap into JSON. All right, there we go. So I should be able to do JSON. Hey, thank you, HK Root. There are 12 left. Never be made again merch. We might have a couple left. This guy can sell you a Ben. Hater. I don't need that energy in my life. I don't need that energy. I don't need that energy. Okay? I just haven't programmed PHP. So he said, "What's your opinion?" I say, "I have none," because I'm answering him accurately, and his response is, "Hater? What?" Seriously, what is this? What have you done today, Carrot? Are you leaving the emergency exit open again? Because we have some troglodytes skipping around in the startup today, and I am not a fan, okay? So I need you to get his bags. I need to get his M2 MacBook Pro, his iPhone 15 SE edition, whatever it's called, pack him into a nice grocery bag and place it next to the rest of his stuff, because it seems like he's about to be living on the streets with that kind of attitude. Let's call this thing, serialization type. Clap me, daddy. Clap me. Whoopsies. Yeah. Thank you for the follow, Pussy the Destroyer. Pussy the Destroyer. Your name's Pussy. I'm not going back to Karen. I'm not going back to Karen. I'm not going back to Karen. I'm not going back to Karen.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
When it's clear, it's obvious, Pussy, you need to come see the top, the tippity top, okay? So get on out here, get to the VIP lounge, okay? I'll take a look, see if you're ready for development, but I have a good feeling you're not ready. I can tell right away, not ready. But I will let you up here for a personal eyeball verification, okay? No more Karen today. I hate C#. I hate C#, okay? I hate it. Hey, thank you for that little subscription. It's a Ponzi startup. I was censoring myself, okay? I appreciate that, though. Lil Fond mode. I love that name. I love it. All right. This is really good. Oh my goodness, yes you can. I don't think I typed that right. Did I do that wrong? Oh my goodness. Can it just do that? Damn it. Wait, yes it can. Come on. Dang it, you can't do it. Can I not just use this? Is that just not a thing? Thank you, private constant. Can you not just... Okay, value enum for enums claps. Oh, value enum. Okay, clap value enum. What is this? All right, how do I do this? Can I just do that? Oh, whoopsies. Wrong, oh, totally wrong spot. Totally wrong spot. Let's derive. Clone. Oh, we need clone as well. Okay. All right, where are we? Are we getting close? Are we getting close here? Dang it. Here. Good enough. You have to provide one. I know, music is good today. Why did you find out JSON and JS are slow? Yeah, I mean, yes, they are slow. What are your tools you use? Ask Flip. Why is JSON slow? Because it's very slow. You have to parse entire messages. We're doing something extremely easy, right? You need another value enum on the property. Do we? I just go like this, value enum. That's all I do. Then I can do a default value t equals serialization type JSON. Dear sweetness. Let's go like this. Well, we're already here, so we might as well keep on going. Am I right? I'm already here, right? Adder. Adder should always be the same. It's port. That should be a U16. Let's go. Let's go here, here. P.
Welcome to Costco.
Port.
I love you.
That default value t equals 6969. Let's go. Straightforward. Args equals args. Parse. Let's go. Do one of these. Isn't that what it is? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Well, rock on. Format. Bang me, daddy. You know what I mean? All right. Do we need anything else? No. Got him. All right. JSON B was the son after JSON A. I don't. Thank you, Bruno. How do you put tits? I lost it. Work on the things you like. You know what I mean? Tokyo, porque Maria. Yeah. Yeah. You need another macro. I got him. We got it. It seems to be fine right here. Right?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Brune. Thank you. Right now I'm playing around with Deku, but you having a hard time to go with me? Well, he keeps pointing at me. Is that a threat? It's more than a threat. It's a promise of a good time. All right, so there we go. So we have these two things. So if args dot what is it? It's type. Oh crap. Why did I call it type? Forget that. All right, if Seer, oh crap, don't do that. Match, Arg, Seer, let's go. And go, JSON.
Turns all your bad feelings into
Hey,
good
thank you.
feelings.
Or, that was weird. That just stopped. Did my computer just explode? Am I just not even streaming anymore? I just assumed that my computer is not streaming at this point. That we're all done. How'd I do? Oh. Omni, thank you. What just happened there? Can someone... Dirty 40?
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
I do love you, AC. Welcome. Hey, Owen Coates. He is still streaming. I am. What about Tommel? What thoughts of Protobuffs? Protobuffs are great. They're great. Acorn. I like Acorn.
Welcome to Costco. I love you. Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Acorn is awesome, by the way. Great streamer. Met her at TwitchCon. Awesome. Awesome. I got owned. Got owned. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Oh, wait a 7. And Owen Coes again. Appreciate it. Oh, no, I haven't seen you around for a while. How you doing? All right. Is there anything else left? Right now, I'm pretty much happy with where we're at. I got to get back to work, people. You know, it's just the way it is. Okay, so we're gonna do this.
Welcome to Costco.
Damn.
I love you.
Hey. Appreciate that. Ooh, let's do Healthy Gamer. I haven't raided him. I got to meet this guy. He was super cool. Please stick around for the raid. Hey, if you're on YouTube, jump on in. Jump over here, join the raid.
That I have to work my ass off, get an advanced degree, double my income, grind for 5 years so that I can work 4 hours a day and maintain my current lifestyle. And someone else over there just gets the windfall and they don't have to go through all that crap.
Join.
How is this
He's a
fair?
really awesome guy. Honestly, he was the nicest person that I met at TwitchCon.
I have to do internal work when other people
and I want to say thank you. Oh shoot. Thank you, Lithium. Let's go, Lithium here. I'm gonna end this channel. So if you want to join in on this raid, which I highly recommend you do, please get over to Twitch.
Sorry, life isn't
do this.
fair.
I would appreciate it. I think he would appreciate it. Bye, YouTube.
That's kind of a weird thing to say, I know. But what I really encourage you to do is like really think about the jealousy.
Lithium.